thinks he's great.
They do?
Homer's got what it takes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody thinks he's great. Homer's got what it takes.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody knows who. Go on, talk about Homer, it's just that way.
That's right.
Everybody thinks he's great.
Uh-huh.
I can watch him all day. Everybody knows who. Go on, talk about Homer, it's just that way. Yeah!
Homer's a funny man, works at a power plant. He might be lazy, I like him anyway. Maybe he's kind of large, his wife's name is Marge. He hangs out at Moe's, when he gets mad he says go. Some people don't treat him well, but they can all go to
Springfield.
Homer is perfect, he really works it. When I watch The Simpsons every night,
That's right.
I really call that when he eats donuts. He might be slow, but that's alright.
Hey.
Homer is perfect. And when he starts to drool, I think it's really cool. His stomach might be big, he did the Spider Pig. Maybe he's not too smart, he tries to strangle Bart. Might have a low IQ, he bites beer from that pool. He might not have too much hair, yeah, but I just don't really care. Homer is perfect.
Perfect.
He really works